Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss one of the most important topic which is going to help indirectly in a many way in our examination. Since we know that geography is there in our syllabus, right? But there are two part. One is Indian geography and another is world geography. In world geography they are mostly focusing on the map related, okay? So in geography perspective it is important. In the current affair perspective also it is important, right? So let's focus on that because some news related to economy is also related to the places in news. So accordingly, indirectly this topic is very helpful. Eventually it will fetch us some good mark, like we'll have a 2 to 3 marks because we are going to discuss places in news which is very important and which was there in news across the time, for the last 1 year. So let's get back to the things. पहला न्यूज़ हमारा ये है कि इंडियन स्विमर इक्वल वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड बिकम द फास्टेस्ट मेल स्विमर टू क्रॉस द सी एफ गैलीलियो. ठीक है, तो हमें ये मालूम होना चाहिए कि सी एफ गैलीलियो कहाँ है. सोचिए यदि आपको याद है क्योंकि आप वर्ल्ड ज्योग्राफी भी तो पढ़ रहे हैं ना, तो प्लीज़ थिंक वेयर इज द सी एफ गैलीलियो इज लोकेटेड. तो सी एफ गैलीलियो इज देयर इन द नॉर्थन पार्ट ऑफ द इजराइल. ओके, so just remember that maybe they will ask a question regarding which of the following countries Sea of Galilee lies. ठीक है, it is a fresh water lake, remember. ठीक है, it is one of the feature of the Sea of Galilee is that it is a fresh water lake and it is the second lowest lake. So it is not the first lowest lake. So remember this. About the Sea of Galilee, only this two. Where is the location? Location is Israel. Number one, it is a fresh water. ठीक है, बस इतना काफ़ी है. हम अगला क्वेश्चन पे मूव ऑन करते हैं और हमें ये भी मालूम होना चाहिए कि आखिर क्यों ये इंपॉर्टेंट है. ऐसे फालतू में हमें एफर्ट नहीं डालना है. वॉट एवर दी हम जो भी टॉपिक सेलेक्ट कर रहे हैं उसके पीछे कुछ रीज़न है. ठीक है, रीज़न ये हो सकता है कि कोई क्वेश्चन प्रीवियस ईयर में पूछा गया. टेक एग्जाम्पल, लास्ट ईयर दे आस्क रिगार्डिंग दी लेक विक्टोरिया, तो इस साल हो सकता है कि दे विल आस्क अबाउट द सी ऑफ गैलीलियो. ठीक है, सो वी नीड टू मूव फॉरवर्ड, राइट? सो जस्ट हैव ए ग्लैंस ओवर दैट. अगेन वी आर गेटिंग बैक टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. ठीक है, बाल्फोर डिक्लेरेशन क्या है? थिंक आपको मालूम है तो सोचिए, नहीं तो फिर मैं तो बताऊंगा ही. ठीक है, बाल्फोर डिक्लेरेशन इजराइल एंड पैलेस्टाइन से रिलेटेड है. ठीक है, ये डिक्लेरेशन को माना जाता है कि यही न्यू रखा जो प्रेजेंट जो कॉन्फ्लिक्ट चल रहा है दोनों देश में, इजराइल एंड पैलेस्टाइन के बीच में. ठीक है, तो क्वेश्चन आ सकता है कि बाल्फोर डिक्लेरेशन इज रिलेटेड टू विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कंट्री. ठीक है, इजराइल एंड पैलेस्टाइन. ठीक है, अनदर वन थिंग इज दैट कि अब्राहम एकॉर्ड क्या है. ठीक है, तो अब्राहम एकॉर्ड इज नथिंग बट अरब इजराइल पीस डील है जो 26 ईयर में हुआ है. ठीक है, उससे पहले ये दोनों को कंसिडर किया जाता है कि दोनों देश बहुत ही अपना अलग व्यू पॉइंट रखते हैं. सो एक दूसरे को कॉन्फ्लिक्ट के नज़र से देखते थे, बट हम विद द हेल्प ऑफ यूएसए they come to the table and they have a peace deal, US, Arab and Israel. ठीक है, so remember this. Another one question related to this is that Levant region. Levant region क्या है? This is the UPSC PYQ. ठीक है, so they may ask which of the following is related to the Levant region. They will ask that Black Sea, they will give a North Sea, Baltic Sea, but another one option will be that कि Mediterranean Sea. And maybe they will ask which part of the Mediterranean Sea. For instance, this is the entire Mediterranean Sea. The eastern part is this. So this part is known as Levant region. Okay. So remember this. These three is very important. Okay. First was our Sea of Galilee. ठीक है. Getting back to the Balfour Declaration, Abraham Accord, Levant region. Okay. ठीक है. Now, since the Israel is in news, Israel and Palestine is used, so they may ask question because there was a question regarding the Ukraine, which of the following country that Ukraine is sharing border. ठीक है, so they may ask which of the following country that Israel is sharing the border. So number one is Lebanon. ठीक है, second is Syria, third is Jordan, and fourth is Egypt. Remember this, it is not sharing border with the Saudi Arabia. Okay. And they may ask question that which of the following countries opening to the Mediterranean Sea. So what I said कि लेबनान रीजन क्या है, तो यही पार्ट है जो ईस्टर्न पार्ट है. ठीक है, तो जॉर्डन इज नॉट ओपनिंग टू द मेडिटेरियन सी, लेबनान इज ओपनिंग. सो नाउ रिमेंबर द नॉर्थन पार्ट इज लेबनान एंड सदर्न पार्ट इज इजिप्ट. ठीक है, just have a glance please, because they may ask question, because there is a huge possibility, because all the time there is a news regarding the Israel and Palestine. So please let's move to the next question. There is a question regarding the India Middle East Europe economic corridor. Why we are taking this news? Is there, what is the important of this? क्या इतना क्या important है कि एग्जाम में ये क्वेश्चन पूछ सकता है? तो हम इसका बेसिस PYQ अगेन जाएंगे, ठीक है. Let's get back to the things. In the 69th BPSC they ask a question regarding the India signed the economic cooperation and trade agreement with which of the following country, ठीक है. So on that basis they may ask the question that कि इंडिया मिडिल ईस्ट यूरोप इकोनॉमिक कॉरिडोर कौन कौन सा देश से गुजर रहा, कौन कौन सा पोर्ट इन्वॉल्व है, ये मैटर कर सकता है, ठीक है, क्योंकि ये न्यूज़ इकोनॉमिक पॉइंट के व्यू से बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, ठीक है, तो हम इसको कंसिडर कर सकते हैं. तो लेट्स गेट बैक टू द पॉइंट. विच ऑफ द कंट्री इन्वॉल्व इज आवर ओन कंट्री इंडिया, ओके. UAE इज देयर, ओके. सऊदी अरेबिया इज देयर, आफ्टर दैट जॉर्डन इज देयर, ठीक है. अगेन ट्राई टू लिंक एवरीथिंग, ठीक है. Before I asked now which of the countries surrounding the Israel. So Jordan is there. So if the Jordan is there, then of course Israel will be there. ठीक है. Italy is there, France is there, and Germany is there. So please have a glance. ठीक है, okay. The port involved here is that India Mumbai port is involved. Okay, you can see that it is starting from here. ठीक है. So it is Mumbai port. Okay. Again, Israel Haifa port is important. They will ask Haifa port is related to which country? UAE Jebel Ali port, ठीक है. Riyadh port of Saudi, ठीक है. Just remember this. This news is very important, ठीक है. Now let's get back to the next question. Again, last time itself in 69 they asked a question regarding the UAE, ठीक है. So this time they can go one step ahead and they will ask about the port which is related to the India Middle East Europe corridor related of the UAE, ठीक है, because UAE is taking part in this, okay. So UAE, which port is there? 2 port is there. So please just look at this. Haifa port is also important. Now let's get back to the another one important news, ठीक है. Just tell me, Madrid protocol is related to what? Have you remembered the last time 69 they asked a good question regarding some type of protocol or declaration? Just look at the PYQ. They asked the Lisbon Declaration, ठीक है. So they may ask regarding this year Madrid protocol क्या है, because sometime what is there in news they relate the things with the environment, ठीक है, environment, economy. So this is related to the Antarctic treaty, ठीक है. So just remember that कि मैड्रिड प्रोटोकॉल इज रिलेटेड टू द environmental protection to the Antarctic Treaty. Okay, this year again there was a news that कि Indian ship was destroyed or attacked in the Red Sea. ठीक है. So Red Sea one news. What type of the question they will ask? Because since it was in news, UPSC asked in this year prelims regarding the question of the Red Sea, which all river is draining into this. ठीक है. Salinity they may ask the question regarding this. So we need to prepare a bit ahead of that, because news will relate to the world geography. ठीक है. So let's now my question is that which all the country is surrounding the Red Sea. ठीक है. For that we have a trick. Either we can go with the yes this or desi. ठीक है. The country which is surrounding Red Sea, they may ask question, right? Yemen is there, Djibouti is there, Eritrea is there, Egypt is there, Saudi is there, and Sudan is there, right? So remember this. But you'll have a bit of confusion regarding this, okay? Because there is E is there. If you are remembering yes this, then please remember that it is Eritrea. It's not Ethiopia. ठीक है. Ethiopia is a landlocked country. Remember that. So you may get a doubt here. So in order to have clear understanding, just have a better understanding that here E stand for Eritrea, another E stand for the Egypt, okay, not Ethiopia, right? So let's move to the next question. There was a news regarding that कि Mediterranean Sea was before it is directly connected from Red Sea to the Mediterranean through the Suez Canal, okay. But now the country like Israel is looking for alternative apart from, before you can look at the map, if any vessel or any ship wanted to go to the Mediterranean, they need to move from the Red Sea through the Suez Canal and Mediterranean Sea. But now what Israel is proposing, or they are just walking upon that alternate route, so their name is Ben Gurion Canal, ठीक है, which will move from the one of the desert of the Israel, Negev desert, ठीक है. Remember, they may ask the question regarding in which country Negev desert is located, ठीक है. They may ask regarding the question about the Ben Gurion Canal, ठीक है. So just have this. Look at this again, because this is very important news. This was there in news, and whatever I am taking here, it was there in news throughout the year. So after doing a thorough research, I am just taking this one. Okay. Now let's get back to the another one reason which was very news regarding because of the conflict. ठीक है. There was a conflict going in the South. There was going in South America. ठीक है. There was a conflict going in the South America regarding, I mean, for the land between two countries, that was Venezuela, ठीक है, and Guyana, ठीक है. And that region was Essequibo region. They will ask the question that the news was in the conflict Essequibo region related to which of the country, ठीक है. So you will be able to answer this. It is related to Venezuela and the Guyana. It is quite important. Please do remember this. Again, there was a news regarding, since Israel Palestine was in news, there was a quite news, extensive news regarding the Rafah border, ठीक है. So you should know everything about the Rafah border. Okay, look at this map. Okay, this is the Israel and Gaza, and Rafah border lies here. It means that Rafah border is with the Egypt, ठीक है. They will ask the question, is Rafah border is related to Israel? No, it is related not to Israel, rather than it is there with the, I mean, Egypt. Rafah border is the only place, I mean, it is the only place through which you can enter into Gaza, ठीक है. But it is in control of Egypt, because there was a agreement signed between the Egypt and the Israel, ठीक है. So this all question is quite important in terms of, I mean, news, and simultaneously it is related in terms of world geography, economy, environment. Accordingly, we need to think so that we can remember, because there will be a question regarding the Red Sea, Israel, because these two are very prominent news throughout the year. Galileo, Sea of Galileo. So please do look at this once. If you are unable to understand, then try to look twice, ठीक है. Because sure shot, I mark my word, you will get a 2 question. हम लोग यहाँ से इस वीडियो, एक छोटा सा वीडियो से हम लोग 2 क्वेश्चन निकाल सकते हैं. So why to waste time? If someone is doing research and someone is coming up a very small video of the 10 to 12 minute or 15 minute, and they're delivering you something, so try to make the positive outcome from here. Okay, thank you, have a good day.